Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson SV12. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson SV12 is flashing red and won't start, it indicates that there is an issue with the battery. This can occur due to a number of reasons, such as battery wear over time or an internal fault. If left unaddressed, your device may become completely unusable, leading to unnecessary frustration and expense. To carry out this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a replacement battery for your Dyson SV12. First, ensure that your vacuum cleaner is turned off and disconnected from the charger. Begin by removing the bin and any attachments from the device. Next, locate the screws on the back of the handle. These are usually covered by a plastic cap, which can be gently pried off using your flathead screwdriver. Carefully unscrew these screws with your Phillips screwdriver, taking care not to strip them. Once the screws are removed, gently pull the handle away from the main body of the vacuum. Now, you should see the battery compartment. The battery is typically secured by additional screws. Remove these screws in the same manner as before. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery from the wiring harness. You may need to wiggle it gently to release it, but be cautious not to damage any nearby components. Take your new battery and connect it to the wiring harness, ensuring that it clicks into place securely. Replace the screws to secure the battery in its compartment. Now, reattach the handle by aligning it with the main body and replacing the screws you removed earlier. Finally, press the plastic cap back into place over the screws at the back of the handle. Before closing everything up, ensure all connections are secure and that there are no loose parts. To verify that your Dyson SV12 is working, plug it in and turn it on. If the red light has stopped flashing and the device starts up, you have successfully completed the repair. To prevent this issue from occurring again, ensure that you regularly clean the filters and empty the dustbin to maintain optimal performance. Additionally, avoid overcharging the battery and store the vacuum in a cool, dry place when not in use. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.